BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain about law of multiple proportions. Law of multiple proportions. So this law was invented by John Dalton. This law was invented by John Dalton, and this law states that, and before going to definition, there is no use of definition, so directly examples. So if we say here, we have to take two compounds, CO2 and CO, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. So in this, carbon weight is 12 grams, oxygen weight is 32 grams, carbon weight is 12 grams, and this is also 16 grams. So if you see here, the carbon weight is fixed in these two compounds. Carbon weight is fixed in these two compounds. Then we have to take the ratio of these two. So 32 is to 16, which is nothing but 2 is to 1. So the ratio of these two compounds is 2 is to 1. So like this we can do another example. N2O and O2. N2O and NO2. So here in this, nitrogen is 28 grams, oxygen 16 grams, nitrogen 14 grams, oxygen 32 grams. In this, there is no weight is fixed. So we have to convert this into simplest form. So if I cancel these two values in two table, 14 grams and 8 grams. Okay. So in this, 14 grams is constant. Nitrogen weight is constant. So we have to take the ratio of these two compounds. These two molecules. So if you see here, 8 is to 32, which is nothing but 1 is to 4. Okay. So this is the law of multiple proportions. Very simple topic. And your task, find the ratios of FeO, Fe2O3, N2O5 and O2, CH4, C3H8, C4H10, C6H6. Okay? And the law of multiple proportions is completed. And our next topic, atomic mass. Atomic mass. So if you see here, atomic mass means the mass of a particular element, particular atom of element. For example, oxygen. Here oxygen atom is O. Okay. So O means it has 16 AMU as atomic mass because the O weight is 16 and we have to add one of the unit of atomic mass unit. Okay, AMU. And another example, nitrogen. N. And the nitrogen weight is 14 and we have to add atomic mass unit. So 14 AMU. Okay. And here another important point. 1 AMU equals to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. And 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. Okay. Here, very simple definition. Atomic mass means the product of given weight, given atom of particular element weight into 1/12 part of C12 isotope. 1/12 part of C12 isotope. 1/12 part of C12 isotope means 1 AMU. 1 AMU. Okay. So this is atomic mass. And in this another atomic weight. And this atomic weight has no units. No units. So if you see here, atomic weight is nothing but the comparison between oxygen atoms weight and the 1/12 part of C12 isotope. Here atomic weight is also known as relative atomic mass. So we have to represent in capital letters R, A, M. Okay. So RAM is equals to mass of one atom by 1/12 part of C12 isotope. Okay. So this is the main relation. RAM means relative atomic mass, which is nothing but atomic weight. Has no units because the mass of one atom by 1/12 part of C12 isotope means in this oxygen atomic mass is 16 AMU. And we have to relate with 1 AMU because the relative atomic mass means the relation between this and this. So here 1 AMU gets cancelled and 16 by 1 means 16. Okay. So this is the answer. Because here 16 has no units. That's why atomic weight has no units. Okay. Next one, gram atomic weight, which is represented in grams. So if you see here, gram atomic weight means atomic weight represented in grams. Okay. Atomic weight represented in grams. For example, oxygen. Which is nothing but 16 grams. Okay. And nitrogen. N, which is nothing but 14 grams. So like this we can find any another atoms also by keeping grams. There is no change in that. By keeping grams we can write the gram atomic weight. And here I am giving small table, see. Here I gave some atoms, and you have to find atomic mass. Here oxygen atomic mass is 16 AMU. Related atomic mass with nothing but atomic weight, which is 16, and gram atomic weight 16 grams. So the difference between these three is only units. See, here no units, AMU, grams. Okay. And here 14 AMU, 14 grams. Here also there is no change. And in carbon 12 AMU, 12 and 12 grams. Here also no change. And here calcium is 40 AMU, 40 grams. Here also there is no change. So we can compare these three measurements by giving in a table. Okay. Now next topic. Molecular mass. Molecular mass. Molecular mass is nothing but, which is represented in AMU, same. Molecular mass is nothing but the molecule. Molecule means like this: O2, N2, S8, etc. And here molecular mass means the mass of one molecule of any element. For example, oxygen, O2, which is nothing but 32 AMU. We have to count the 2 atoms mass of oxygen. And here N2, 28 AMU. And here S8, which is nothing but 256 AMU. Okay. So there is no change in atomic mass and molecular mass, only the change of atomic form, atomicity. Okay. And next one, molecular weight. Has no units. And here molecular weight is also known as RMM. Relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass, RMM. RMM is nothing but mass of one molecule by 1/12 part of C12 isotope. the mass of one molecule by 1/12 part of C12 isotope. Here there is no difference between atomic weight and molecular weight because there is no units same, and here there is only one change. Here in that atomic weight we use only one atom, and in molecular only one molecule. Okay, for example, here oxygen means 32, only 32, and N2 means 28, sulfur means 256. Okay, note down. And here gram atomic weight, gram molecular weight, which is in grams. So if you see here, the molecular weight which is represented in grams, molecular weight which is represented in grams. For example, this is 32 grams, and this is 28 grams, and this is 256 grams. Okay. So like this we can find grams, no units, and AMU also. Okay. And this is today topic. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.